आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is let function 1 to 3, okay, belongs to 0 to infinity, be continuous and differentiable function, okay. If f3 minus f1, f square 3 plus f square 1 plus f3 f1 is equals to k f square f dash c, where c belongs to where which 1 to 3 range, okay, then the value of k. Okay, so basically what we have to do, we have to find the value of range. So what is given in this question, that we can see that the function is what continuous and differentiable. We know that when functions are continuous, right, and differentiable on these intervals, then there exists a value c in between a to b, right. And what we have to prove in this question, we have to do this, we have to find the value of k, right. So this property holds when there are two theorems for this, which is Rolle's theorem and LMVT. But Rolle's theorem is used for finding the value of roots, so we will go with LMVT here. So LMVT, it states that c is a variable which lies between a to b, right. C is a value, basically something which lies between a to b. Then f dash c should be f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, right. So we can see that now what we have to do, we have to basically create a function which holds this value f3 minus f1 f square plus f square 1 f3. Okay, so we can see that there is some kind of relation between this formula, a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b, a cube a square plus b square plus ab, right. If we compare this sides, this is a, this is b, this is a square b square plus ab, right. So basically we have to consider a function, but the function is also inside a function. It means that if we take a function, let's take a function gx, which is also a cube of a function, right. For the value, for the intervals we have here is 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Then it states that there should exist a value for which this equation we are going to use. So basically what we can write, that if we using LMVT on gx function, okay, so we'll get what we can write it as g dash c, right. G dash c will be what, this will become f cube 7, okay. This can be written as what, we can write it as f dash of g dash of 7, right. And this will be g dash of 2 divided by b minus a, not c or 2, sorry, we are having values of 1 and 3 here. So this will be what, this will be g dash of 3 minus g dash of 1, and this will be b minus a in the denominator, we know. So b is what, 3, and this is what, 1. So basically we will have values g dash c is equals to g3 can be written as f cube of 3, and this can be written as f cube of 1, right. And this will be 2. What is the value of g dash c can have? Okay, we know that gx is what, f cube x. So I'll go further, gx is f cube x. So if I differentiate, I'll differentiate it here. We know that gx is f cube f, we is assumed above. So if we differentiate this, this will become g dash of x will be 3 f square x and f dash x. And for some value c, this will become what, I'll write it down here. This will be basically 3 f square c f dash c is equals to, if I open this formula, this will become what, f3 minus f1, right, with the product of f3 square plus f1 square plus f3 f1, right. And denominator we have what, 2. Now what I'll do, I'll put this 2 on this side, right. So we will have equation, we can have equation like this, f3 f1 f square 3 this whole plus f square, this should be what, 1 here, plus f3 f1, okay. And this will become what, this will be 6 times of f square c and f dash c. And which value we have to find, we have to find the value of k, right? So we can see that this equation we have in the question and the equation we find out, they are both identical, right? They are both same, but there is a different value of k here we have to find. So basically k, in this case we can see that k is what here? 6. So basically our value of k will come out as 6 according to the question. We prove the statement here, right? So the value of k will be 6.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।